Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another amazing drink for you guys. Look at that, the Irish trash can. Beautiful, delicious, amazing. And you know what? March is only a few months away, so you have plenty of time to study this drink and master it to perfection. And it'll be all thanks to me. All right guys, so if you like what you see here, make sure you stay tuned so you can learn how to make it. All right guys, so today we're just gonna be needing our tall glass. We're not gonna be needing our shaker. I'm just gonna be pouring everything over it. So, start off with just a half an ounce of Blue Curacao. Bam. This is what we have stains. This is what we have stains in the thing. All right guys, so we'll pour it down all the way down. Just half an ounce. So after that, all I'm gonna need to do is get my cup full with ice. All right, so there's a glass full with it. Followed up by our Peach Schnapps, half an ounce as well. Damn, look at that already. Followed up by triple sec. You know, you're getting double the orange liqueur. Who cares? It's good. It's delicious. Half an ounce of triple sec. Then you're gonna follow it up by half an ounce of Tito's vodka, or any vodka you like. It's all up to you guys. As you can tell, it's quite a lot of liquor and liqueur in here. Next thing, brand new gin. Ooh. Just a quarter of an ounce. And a whole ounce for yourself if you want. Drinking like 4 or 5 of these guys, ooh, that's a hangover. Then you're gonna go with Flor Caña, a little bit of rum, half an ounce as well. There you go, guys. There's your drink. After you have all your liquor and all your liqueur in there, you're all set. Now the only final step is your Red Bull, guys. So, okay. Guess I'm running dry today, so I'm just gonna pour in here. Look at that, guys. Look at that beauty. As you can see, where it gets its name from, it's already turning green as it is once it mixes in with everything else. Some places might have a bigger container. I just wanted to make like this. I just think it looks nice and simple, beautiful. The Irish trash can. I had made this video in the past, but due to some certain complications, I had to take it down, remade it. Now it's more like HD, a little bit more enhanced. Plus, we're getting better with the camera, guys. So remember to like, comment, subscribe if you like what I do. There's a lot of drinks out there that I want to create, but how are you gonna know and find out if you don't subscribe? So make sure you subscribe. And if there's any drinks out there you want me to create, drop it down in the comments down below. Holy shit, it's spilling. All right, guys, I gotta drink this ASAP. So this is Alejandro the Mixologist. Subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Puta madre. And this is why we can't have nice things.